Amy, these are terrific scalloped potatoes.
I just mentioned to Wendy that they were Corey's favorite, and she just whipped them up from scratch.
Well, maybe I could come over again and show you how to make them.
Oh, I'm sure I would like that.
Well, I'm sure I'd like that, too. In fact, why don't we invite Wendy to move in, and we could become one big, happy, potato-eating family.
Well, I don't just make potatoes, Corey. I can make fun stuff like Belgian waffles.
With whipped cream and strawberries?
Whatever you like.
Ooh.
My grandmother makes them for my grandfather. They've been together 66 years.
I'm on an emotional roller coaster.
So you think she'll have an opening tomorrow? I can make a call? Call now.
Hey, guys, where you been?
Hey, I can get a haircut as many as I want. Eric is the... Let's go.
How bad is this?
Let me finish dinner, then I'll assess.
The well-groomed boy there was...
Eric and his friend Jason. Corey's told me so much about him.
When?
I hope our 3 kids turn out as wonderfully as yours have.
You decided on 3 children?
Well, I'm one of 3 children, and Corey's one of 3 children. So I thought we'd keep the tradition alive.
3 kids, what do you think of that, Gramps?
Could you come, Corey, with me? Nutcase?
You think?
Wendy, don't you think that 3 children on Corey's $5 a week allowance might be a little stressful during the holidays?
Mr. Matthews, we're not going to get married anytime soon. We both have a lot of growing up to do.
Oh, well, I'm glad to hear that.
Let her finish.
We're just going to grow up together.
You want to go outside again?
When you and Corey are married, will you be my sister?
That's right.
Ooh, she's got Morgan.
That is just so completely sweet.
Oh, she's got all the women.
Want to see my doll, sis?
I'd like that. Would you excuse me for a moment?
Of course, dear. Make yourself at home.
Yeah, move in.
Okay, family meeting. What the heck did you bring home?
She let her in.
Come on, she's just a little girl playing house.
Amy, sweetheart, she's a little blonde loon.
Nonsense. Look, if I thought there was anything to be concerned about, I would be the first one to sound the alarm.
Mrs. Matthews, I found this picture of you in your wedding dress. Maybe someday I'll get to try it on.
Beep, beep,